Alrighty, today we're going to be making a slow cooked lamb shank meal in the slow cooker. It's going to have a rich tomato sauce with olives and semi-dried tomatoes. Let's do it. Alrighty, what you need is about 800 grams of lamb shanks, just straight in there. Add a third of a cup of olives. Quarter 8 potatoes. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add 400 mils of beef stock. Add 1 can of diced tomatoes. Start with 1 can of diced tomatoes. We'll check the consistency and we'll add another one if needs be. Add 3 tablespoons of semi-dried tomatoes. And now give it a good stir. So once it's all in the slow cooker now, turn it on high. We'll cook that for about 6 hours. It's super easy to make. This took about 10 minutes to chop the veg and put it all in there. You can do it before you go to work, and when you come home, it'll be ready to eat. Now, we'll see you back here in 6 hours. Alrighty, so that's been cooking for 6 hours now. There should be a little bit of clear oil at the top. What you want to do is just skim that off. You just want to skim all the oil off, as that's just a little bit of fat that's come out of the meat. So what we'll do now, we'll turn it off. We'll put the potatoes into a pot and make a mash. And the meat looks very tender. So that was cooking on high for 6 hours. The potatoes are nice and soft. And you can see from the meat, you can see it's pulling away there. Try not to scrape that, I'll only get the potatoes. Okay, it's the moment of truth, the lamb shanks. We'll put them on a plate. So we'll get the second one out. You can see it's just struggling to hold onto the bones. Look at that. So what you want to do is just leave a little bit of liquid left over in the bottom. We'll use that, it's nice and thick. We'll use that as a sauce. And for the mash, now the potatoes in there, mash that up. The olives are also in there with the sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, so that's the mash done. Let's plate it up. Alrighty, let's plate it up now. A nice big dollop of mash. This is just some steamed broccoli. We'll add to it as well. Okay, we'll add the sauce that's nice and reduced. And this here is just a quick little herb mix. So we've got some fennel and parsley mixed with some olive oil and lime juice. We'll just put that on top. And so there you have it, guys. Something that takes about 10 minutes prep-wise at the start of the day. Put it all in there, and by the end of the day, you'll have something like this. Super easy.